Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2112 code? This code means the throttle actuator control system is stuck in a closed position. If you ignore this issue, your engine may not get enough air, leading to poor acceleration or even no start condition. P2112 stands for Throttle Actuator Control System, stuck closed. In simple terms, the ECU has detected that the throttle plate is not opening properly and remains closed, restricting airflow into the engine. This system controls the throttle electronically drive-by-wire, which regulates how much air enters the engine for proper combustion and performance. Common symptoms include check engine light on, very poor acceleration, engine stalling, hard starting or no start, and unresponsive throttle. In some cases, the vehicle may enter limp mode or fail to respond when pressing the accelerator. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The throttle body with actuator motor is located on the intake manifold, where air enters the engine. It includes the throttle plate, actuator motor, and throttle position sensors. The wiring harness connects the throttle body to the ECU and is exposed to heat, dust, and vibration inside the engine bay. For quick diagnosis, start by checking throttle position data using an obd2 scanner. Then inspect the throttle body connector for loose wiring, corrosion, or damaged pins. Check for heavy carbon buildup inside the throttle body, as it can cause the throttle plate to stick closed. Also inspect wiring and sensors for faults or incorrect signals. If the throttle plate is stuck or the actuator is faulty, the throttle body may need cleaning or replacement. Finally, clean the throttle body, repair any wiring issues, replace faulty components if necessary, perform a throttle relearn procedure, clear the code, and complete a proper road test. Fixing P2112 on time will restore proper airflow, smooth acceleration, and reliable engine performance.